G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh, back with another legendary video. Today's video is brought to you by and sponsored by The Ridge, man. And y'all know The Ridge, I've been rocking with them for a very long time. They make real sleek, top of the Mook, top level design wallets that go in and out your pocket real easy, holds up to 12 cards, and the cash clip, because you gotta have the cash to get the ass, and they got over 30,000 5-star reviews. So if you don't believe me, go over there and check it out. And while you're over there checking everything out, they also got 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns. All you gotta do is go to ridge.com/tallguy. That's ridge.com/tallguy. Promo code tallguy. And one more thing, they got over 30 different styles. Sleek ones, carbon fiber, and burnt titanium, man. Go get yours now. Let's start this video, baby. This is my guy, look at him. This is his truck. You got the Forgiatos on there, look at the feet. Oh yeah. That's my man, he got the Forgiatos on the feet, legendary. So as y'all can see, the Forgiatos are in the Ram Reezy, and if you look below you, guess what else we got on the feet of the Ram Reezy? We got the Forgiatos, baby. So the Forgiatos on the truck, Forgiatos on the Hellkeezy, on the Hellcat Red Eye for those who don't know, and the Forgiatos on the Mclaren 2.0. So once I get these joints put on here, shout out to my guys, Forgiatos, my guy over, my guy Norm right there, and everybody here over here at Forgiatos, man, make sure you follow them on Instagram, subscribe to their YouTube channel. All information will be below in the description. And for those who are real big G Squad and really, you know, want to be in the loop with everything, make sure y'all subscribe to Top of the Mook podcast. Follow us on all platforms. It's on every platform you can think of that holds, whether it's a YouTube video, whether it's a podcast, whether it's on Apple, whether it's on Spotify, it's on everything. All information will be in the description below, but I can't wait to see the Forgiatos on here, man. I've been waiting for this moment because now everything is done, it's back to life. Unfortunately, if you watched the last video, then you know I finally got all 3 of my gold cars back, and of course, life happens, and Sway crashed that motherfucker. And, well, side swipe. I would say it was more like this, right, Sway? Like you was driving and then, right? Like if this was a wall, right?
Yeah.
You was trying to go around the wall without hitting the wall.
Yeah, very slowly though. Very slowly. Yeah, very slowly though.
Very slow. Well, it don't look like from that it was slow, brother. But we'll pretend that it was as slow as you could possibly go. Oh, damn. But anyway, man. But listen, it appears that he was trying to go around it and then kink, and he hit it, and it is what it is. And like I said in that video, we'll get it all figured out. And yeah, we're gonna be going to Vegas real soon to get that done. And shout out to my guy Tony at Reflection Details. But I'm enamored with the whips. I'm happy it's all done. And when all 3 whips are together, like once the Ram Reezy is actually back again for the umpteenth time, we're gonna
the shade.
We're gonna. Oh, I'm listening to Sway. I'm gonna be shooting shots at you for at least. It's gonna be little 22 shots for at least 10 videos.
It's like all day today.
Oh, that's all day, brother. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be all day, brother. I ain't mad at you, but don't expect for these shots, because they coming to you, brother. I'm gonna shoot little bitty shots. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not going to try to inflict any harm on you, though, brother.
No,
I just want to just shoot you in your toe. You know, like Harlem Nights.
Oh, now you're gonna shoot me in my pinky toe.
I will blow that little black, gnarled, crusty, dead motherfucker the fuck off your foot. You're gonna be the 9-toe having this limping this bitch in Harlem. You don't stop fucking with me.
Well, go ahead. Shoot, here it is. There it is. Shoot, quick, go ahead. Take your best shot.
Shot that pinky toe off, boom. You know what I'm saying? It's just, but not no inflicting harm. You know what I'm saying? So kids, stay away from guns. No harm, no damage, no violence. All right? Do not promote that. But once this gets back, and then the Forgiatos are put on here, which should be today, hopefully. And if not, we'll continue this vlog tomorrow, and it'll all be in one video. And then y'all will see the Forgiatos on the Mclaren. So once the truck is actually done and picks back up, just continuous shots. That's right.
I was waiting for him.
Once this picks back up, then we're gonna give you a whole new legendary intro with all 3 cars together. So I'm telling y'all right now, stay tuned for it. It's gonna be top of the Mook, but I will see y'all when we get to the crib, baby.
What's going on, everybody? So we're here, tall guy. We'll put the tires and the Forgiatos.
Oh, of course, only.
Only?
Top of the Mook. People are a little bit skeptical about the 1,000 to a wheel.
We're gonna get 1,000 to the wheel.
We're gonna get 1,000
We're
to
gonna
the
get
wheel.
1,000 to the wheel.
And we're gonna be able to
we're
prove
spectacle.
all of
We're
that.
gonna prove them wrong.
And we're gonna be able to prove it all right there on that
Right
dyno.
there on the dyno.
Y'all see that joint? He already got a red eye over there. What have you done to that red eye?
That one is upper pulley, lower pulley, full return system, dry shaft. It has a diff brace. That was done by the customer, but we did the upper and lower injectors.
Right, he got the racing seat in.
So right now we're at 930, and we're working on it to bump it up
930 to the wheel.
to the wheel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so by the time mine come back around, it's gonna be easy to figure out what
Easier.
we're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
do.
exactly.
Just drop it in a little sauce in the pan, saute it up,
That's it.
bubble it up, and before you know it, we're gonna have that 1,000 to the
Get
wheel.
that 1,000 to the wheel.
And then so tomorrow we're gonna come back here. So I'll see y'all in the morning because we're gonna come back here. Like I said, we're gonna get the tires and the rims put on. And after that, we got a few little giblets, little things I'm noticing that I should have done. Like this, I just said this to
Yeah.
Alex. I should have blacked these out. Like, you know, it's just a simple thing, a little
Just a little,
tint.
yeah.
You know
So
what
just with the other ones that you have like right here. Look.
Yeah, and I gotta black out these exhaust tips too. Oh yeah, yep. Oh, that's blacked out. I
Yeah,
already
to
blacked out.
match, to match the well.
Yep, that's true. I forgot. I did that.
Yeah.
Okay, good
Yeah,
eye.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
There you go. You the man, champ. We just gotta get them exhaust tips blacked out.
Blacked out, yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get that done ASAP. Little bitty
Little
things.
details, that's it, yeah.
Little details, man. But I'm excited. I'm excited to work with my dog Alex. Make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. You know,
Full-blown
YouTube
performance,
channel.
YouTube channel, Full Blown Performance. Trying to get that going. So
Of course. What else you
Little by
trying to
little.
get going, brother? Talk to
Yeah.
him, Alex.
Damn, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
But right now, just working on this Mopar stuff, man. Trying to get that going. You know, we're blessed, thank God. You know,
Appreciate you.
Organik, all that has helped out a lot, man. Honestly, so appreciate it. Thank you. And then hopefully we get that one. Nah, when we hit that 1,000,
There you go.
we'll prove everybody
I
wrong.
like to change that, brother. I like that. And we got some Big G Squad. Hey, Champo. Come here, dog. Big G Squad. We got to get him on the vlog for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Talk to him, champ.
Our intern.
I met him when I first rode up here the first time with my dog, Mr. Organik. I came to pick up my dog, Mr. Organik, and he was here. Told me a lot. I know he Big G Squad. So tell me your name first.
Will,
Will, what's your Instagram, Will?
Mr. Chase Benj, Chase Benj.
It's a little weird when you on camera, huh?
Yeah, it is.
You both
A lot
feel
weird.
Because when you first time you got
Yeah,
camera,
yeah.
you be like, shit, what the
Camera
fuck?
shy.
Yeah.
It makes you
Trust me,
forget
I
your
know.
whole life. Since I don't vlog no more, I don't really
Right,
get
right,
to get
right.
all the G Squad like I used to. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
So whenever I can, I got y'all, brother. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, but for now, catch y'all in the morning, man. So it's a whole new day. We got my dog, Mr. Organik, in the building.
I have no fear. Mr. Organik is here from OrganicLifestyle.com. Had to switch it up on
Big
it.
promo.
Yeah, they be trying to look for goddamn MrOrganic.com. No, it's Mr. Organic from.
Organik Lifestyle.
Come on, man.
.com.
Oh, we got a new top of the Mook shirts on the way, too.
We do. We got my Mclaren right there. Of course, they're up here working right now. And we're gonna get the Forgiatos put on. I told you if we didn't do it yesterday, we was gonna do it today. We was gonna combine it all into one video. So that's what we did. My dog, Mr. Organik's here. It's track off, or not track off gone. Hellcat Chargers right there, man.
It's a track
and we got a
off
red
right
eye over there on the dyno. And we do got a track off right there. You're right, with the almond butter interior.
Oh, yeah, legendary.
Yeah, but we're gonna get these joints put on. We just gotta wait for them to install everything. They doing that dyno and all that stuff right now, so I don't wanna talk too long because they gonna get the blower the Mook out that thing, then you ain't gonna be able to hear nothing.
That just sounds too loud.
Yeah, it sounds crazy. I know y'all seen it already in the B-roll anyway. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in a minute as soon as they start getting everything together. We got my guy right here with the jack. He's actually doing it. He got one back end already perked up. We got my tires right here, front and rears. And we got obviously the rims right here, because y'all see it right here, man. If y'all think it's a game, come over this way, Sway. Show him. Tall guy, man. Tall Guy editions. Me and Forgiatos gonna come up with our own rims soon. It's gonna be the Tall Guy edition rims. We're gonna have the Mr. Organic rims. We're gonna partner with them, and we're gonna go top of the Mook with it. And tell them about the top of the Mook merchandise we just came out with.
Oh yeah, we got a new legendary T-shirt we dropping, very exclusive. It come in nice packaging. Also comes with a sticker. Top of the Mook shirts, and me and my dog Slim logo from Top of the Mook podcast. Legendary limited edition, man. Very limited edition. So make sure you get it while you can, because you never get it again.
Yeah, because we know y'all like Mr. Organic merch. We know y'all like my merch. But we can figure we come together and we do something collectively and make our merch.
Yep.
That's Top of the Mook. That's our brand. That's what we do. We're the creators. We're the owners with this.
Yep.
So make sure you go get it. One more time, where can you get it?
OrganicLifestyle.com. Organic with a K, lifestyle with a Y. SRTF.
Man, catch y'all in a minute. How you looking, Sway? Looking good, brother?
Magnificent.
Dang.
This is crazy.
This is filthy. Hey, does it pop? Just the accents just pop, Sway?
I can't even explain it.
Yeah, let me show them joints real torqued up on them wheels right there. Appreciate you, man. What's that, Mr. Champo? I enjoy crazy, ain't it?
Top level, I ain't goddamn. That's a game.
Yeah, I see you on the humbug on the motherfucking reboot.
Yeah. Come on. Hey, double up with the sauce. You know what I'm saying? Gotta reshape the pot. You know what I'm saying? Oh man.
You so damn dumb, bro.
Gotta get in when I can, man.
Is them joints, no, is them top level or top level, bro? Look at this, y'all.
That's two. Oh, them motherfuckers on the ground.
Ooh. Yeah, it look real funky in the back.
Yeah.
Because it's so deep dish.
That's what it is.
Chicago style.
The concave.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, concave.
It's the concavage in the back.
That shit look crazy. I went crazy with the candy in the middle and the candy on the left.
This is immortal. This is a $100 million nigga type move right here.
No question. Yeah, because you gotta have that type of bread.
You got 100 million.
Even though I ain't got that bread, I'm type broke. I'm trying to get rich. I'm broke.
Me too, man.
But I'm trying to get rich.
I'm big broke.
Work with me here.
I'm broke.
Y'all saw the videos about me. I'm broke. I'm lying. I got no money, man. I'm a broke nigga. Thank you. Keep me broke. I'm broke. Robbers, I ain't got nothing fake jewelry, everything. He's fake. I'm broke.
Match the whip though. Boom.
That shit gonna beat me in, man.
That joint's stupid. My Hellcat's next. And we bringing that win next week. And we tuning that to how much, Will?
1,000.
Yeah.
For all you doubters out there.
Y'all heard the man. He got the dyno thing over there. Y'all seen it earlier in the video. He got the whole setup. And we got 392 over there on there right now. God damn, hold on.
Come on, brother.
I got all sorts of mechanics going off, man. But make sure you follow my Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel. My bad, Chef, I'm in your way. But man, that's it. That's all, man. Tall Guy, I'm out. I'll catch y'all motherfuckers in the next video. Stay tuned for the, yeah, you already know. Stay tuned for the next video.